Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Realme GT Mastered Edition, so which you can actually buy for about 20,000 rupees for the 8GB RAM variant. Yes friends, right now the price has been updated in the Flipkart website, and you can actually see the 7,000 rupees instant discount will be there for the prepaid transactions, or 7,000 will be applied for the exchange rate as well. If you are planning to apply any kind of exchange phones, then this will be really applicable for the 8GB RAM variant exactly. For the 6GB RAM variant, it's only 6,000, but for 8GB RAM variant, 7,000 off on a phone in the exchange offer. That's a very, very good deal you are getting on this Realme flagship phone, friends, with a Snapdragon 778G processor. So if you try to look at the price details in the Flipkart website, you can actually get a clear idea what is going on. So if you try to go to the 6GB RAM variant, you can actually get only 6,000 rupees instant discount. As you can see, 6,000 rupees instant only discount is applicable for the 6GB RAM variant. But if you try to go to the 8GB RAM version, what happens is that in the 8GB RAM variant, you do get a 7,000 rupees discount. As you can see friends, exactly 7,000. But overall the price difference between these both models is only 2,000 difference is there, but because of this additional 1,000 rupees extra, so now you need to pay only 1,000 for extra 2GB of RAM. I mean total you get 8GB RAM. In case if you're planning to buy the phone for the long time usage, maybe I can definitely recommend you to buy the 8GB RAM variant. That's what my main purpose of making this video. So a few of the users they did buy the 6GB RAM variant, that's kind of okay, no problem. But for the long time durability, definitely try to prefer the 8GB RAM variant, and which is not a huge difference. Price is there, only 1,000 rupees difference is there between the 6GB and 8GB RAM variant. So this should be the really good deal for you in case you are planning to buy the phone right now at this moment. And I did expect the Realme X1 Max to be on a sale, but still there's no information about the Realme X1 Max whether that will be in the sale or not. But at this moment I can definitely say that Realme is pretty hard trying in terms of the clearing all the stocks of the Realme GT Master Edition with a 7,000 rupees instant discount, no strings attached, like really good. So unlike the Amazon website right now what is happening over there, but here you can actually use the prepaid cards and 7,000 rupees is done. That's pretty good deal friends. Right now you can actually have in the Realme GT, and I did order the phone, so make sure to stay tuned subscribing to my channel. Very soon I'll try to receive the mobile phone, and then I'll try to review as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.